Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are perfect, taking proper care of yourself, right? So today I am going to read you a story of Puchku, and the title of the book is A Book for Puchku. Let's start. And this book is written by Deepanjana Paul and it is published by Pratham Books. Let's start. Puchku, have a bath. Puchku, eat your food. Puchku, go to class. Puchku, get on the bus. Puchku, do your homework. Where is Puchku? Puchku is busy. She has a book to read. Oh, Puchku reads all the time. At home, in school, in the park, in bed, everywhere. She is such a good reader. Page after page, book after book, one by one, she has read them all. Why are you always reading, Puchku? Asked Boltu, Puchku's friend. Come watch a cartoon instead, says Dodla, Puchku's one more friend. Books are so much fun, says Puchku. Look, you see a circle and this straight line. Push in it and pull that out and it becomes a letter. And line up the letters, you have a word. And words can be wise, words can be funny, words can be sad, and words can be sunny. And when you put words together, they make sentences, and sentences become stories. And read it and whoosh, you are in the another word. Like right now, you are in word of Puchku, and Puchku is in the word of books. But today, Puchku is in a fix. Do you know why? She has run out of the books to read. She doesn't have now any book to read. All the books that she could reach in the library, she has read them all from chapter 1 to end. All the books she has read. Oh, what will I do? Puchku is crying. Oh, no more books to read. But what? Wait, what's that over there? Puchku looks up and sees not one, not two, but 3 more shelves, full of books, like you can see there. Similarly, more books. Puchku whispers in delight. She is very happy to see the books. But there is still one problem. Do you know what? Puchku is too short and the bookshelf is too tall. How can Puchku get up there? Maybe she can use a washing line or Mama's sari to climb. How about chairs and tables in the room? It would be really helpful, thinks Puchku, to have a giraffe at hand, even a monkey. Too funny. But Puchku has a plan now. She calls Boltu and Dodla for help. And as quiet as they can, they climb on top of each other. Boltu, you are too heavy, Dodla complains. Told you not to eat the last rasgulla. Shh. It's not me, Boltu hisses. It's Puchku. Shh. I'm almost there, says Puchku. She was there near the books. And just then, it all goes wrong. Do you know what happened? Boltu and Dodla fell down and Puchku is still there. What's happening here? It's a very tall librarian. Her librarian ma'am came there. She puts Puchku down and Boltu and Dodla ran away. They got scared. Puchku looks up sadly at the book she almost had in her hand. She is still looking at there. Can I help? Asks her ma'am, librarian ma'am. Ma'am, I was trying to climb the bookshelf. I have run out of the books to read. I don't have any book to read. Why didn't you say so? Means ma'am is saying you should ask me, okay? Says her ma'am. As long as I am around, you do not have to climb a bookshelf, okay? May I pick you up? Ooh, Puchku is very happy. Yes. I'll take this and this one too. Ooh, Puchku is very happy. Thank you, ma'am. Take this one too, says her ma'am. When I was small, I loved this book. You were once small? Puchku asked. Oh yes, even smaller than you. But then I grew, and so will you. Until then, all you need to do is ask for a good book, and I will be there to give you a book. Okay? But is Puchku listening? No, she is not. She's inside her book again, through a circle and a line and a letter and another and a word and another and sentence and another and a story. She is again inside her world of books. Okay, because Puchku has a new book now. Okay, so do you want to become a good reader like Puchku? Enjoy reading and keep reading stories, so many books. Take care of yourself, okay? And stay home, stay safe and stay happy.